Welcome to Learn Spoken English.
Abide.
Abide.
I abide by my parents.
I abide by my parents.
Arise.
Arise.
I arise from my bed.
I arise from my bed.
Awake.
Awake.
You shouldn't stay awake.
You shouldn't stay awake.
Become.
Become.
I want to become a teacher.
I want to become a teacher.
Begin.
Begin.
I will begin my work again. Behold. He beholds me from his house. Beat. Anthony beats James. Bite. A dog bites a boy. Bind. Anthony binds Mark's hand. Blow. Anthony blows out a candle on his birthday. Break. He breaks the stick. Chide. He chides his friend for being late to the party. Choose. I choose to go for a run every morning. Cling. The wet clothes cling to the clothesline in the breeze. Come. I come to the park every Sunday for a peaceful walk. Creep. The cat creeps through the grass, stalking its prey. Dig. I dig a hole in the garden to plant flowers. Do. I do my homework every evening. Draw. I draw a picture of the sunset in my sketchbook. Drink. I drink a cup of coffee every morning. Drive. He drives a red car to school. Eat. I eat breakfast every morning. Fall. The leaves fall from the trees in autumn. Feed. I feed my cat twice a day. Fight. I fight for what I believe in. Find. I find joy in simple moments. Fly. I fly to different countries for work. Forbid. Parents forbid their children from watching certain movies. Forgive. I forgive my friend for the mistake. Forget. I often forget where I put my keys. Forsake. I never forsake my principles for personal gain. Freeze. I freeze vegetables to preserve them for later use. Get. I get up early every morning. Give. I give my time to volunteer at the local shelter. Go. I go to the gym 3 times a week. Grow. I grow flowers in my garden every spring. Hide. I hide my keys in a secret spot. Allow. I allow my children to choose their hobbies. Appear. The sun appears over the horizon every morning. Borrow. I borrow books from the library every week. Cheer. We cheer for our favorite team during the game. Delay. I often delay my tasks until the last minute. Dream. I dream of traveling to exotic places. Enjoy. I enjoy spending time with my friends. Flow. The river flows gently through the valley. Laugh. We laugh at funny jokes together. Mend. I mend my clothes when they get torn. Obey. I obey the traffic rules while driving. Beg. I beg you to reconsider your decision. Cancel. I cancel my plans if something urgent comes up.